Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a logo for your brand, like Facebook page or YouTube channel or whatever etc you want. For this you just have to go to your browser. Right now I'm on the browser Chrome. Here you have to write down www.logomaker.com. You'll got the link in the description below. From here you just have to visit the link and use a secured site. Here you can see logo maker and start my design. Watch the full tutorial to see how to save for free, because there's a paid website. There is only one way to save for free. Now when you're on here, it's an editing surface. From here you have to search over 3 million graphics. So when you click on the search icon, it will directly send you to another surface. Here you've got a lot of abstract, natural, silly, multicolor and sketches and many more. Think you like this, just click on the expected design you like, expected sure. It will take a little time to load. Now you can see it's loaded. From here you can change the color, and here you got few more editing options. Here you got a text option. If we click on the text option, you'll got type something. Right now we're typing our brand name. You can type anything, whatever you want. Now you can also change the color of this from here. Now the main thing, how to save this logo, how to download this logo. This site is paid, but you can download it from here for free. To do this, you just have to click on this icon. It's save logo. I'm clicking on this icon, and when you'll click on this, you'll got this surface almost done. If you click on this option, you'll directly go to the paid version, but you have to click download low resolution PNG file. Now you have to accept the terms of them and download the low resolution file. Now you can see the downloading is begin. It says the file is low resolution, but trust me, this file is really high resolution. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.